If you own your own home in Scotland and you're looking to move, whether you're upsizing or downsizing, you will need to instruct an estate agent. And in today's video, I'm going to give you some information on how to choose the right estate agent and help you understand what an estate agent does. If you are an estate agent watching this video, my apologies. This is a very low level about what it is that you do. And this video is just to explain a little bit about the role of an estate agent and the importance of choosing the right one. So what I'm going to do is I'll just crack in straight away with what an estate agent actually does. And there's a few things that I'll cover off here that is really, really important. So the main role of an estate agent is to make sure that you're left with the most amount of money in your pocket when the sale is done. So sometimes that can mean paying a little bit more for their services or for what it is that they're offering. But ultimately, if you've got the most amount of money in your pocket, it means that they've done their job right. So an estate agent is there to do things like conduct the viewings in your property. They will arrange viewings, conduct the viewings, oversee the full sales process. So they'll talk to solicitors, estate agents, mortgage brokers, make sure that that process is running smoothly. They'll also negotiate on your behalf. So if someone's coming in with offers, they'll be able to negotiate with them to make sure that you're getting the best price that's available. And marketing is really, really important as well, making sure that they've got the right marketing plans in place. So whether that's getting professional photographers, videographers, property stagers in, these kind of things will all go towards the marketing of the home and being able to maximise the price that you're able to get when you sell it. Now, estate agents charge as well, and they'll charge in various different ways. So I'll help you understand the different ways in which they will or they could charge. So some estate agents will have a flat fee. That flat fee could be quite pricey, it could be quite cheap, depending on the areas that you're in, depending on the markets that the estate agents are working in. Some estate agents will charge a percentage of the sale price. Typically speaking, these estate agents are based on commission and can sometimes, when there's something in it for them, do a little bit more to maximise the price that you're able to get when selling your house. Typically speaking, it doesn't matter whether you're using a flat fee or a percentage of sale estate agent, you'll need to pay for your own valuation. That's the home report here in Scotland. And it's likely that any additional marketing costs could be extra. So if you're paying for videographers or drone footage, anything like this, the virtual tours, this may end up costing you slightly more with some estate agents. Now, the estate agent's role in the process is to maximise their sale price. That's the main remit, and to leave you with more money in your pocket. So in an ideal world, they're going to be negotiating the higher sales price for you and make sure that you have more money left at the end of the full process. How they do that is through marketing, and marketing from an estate agent's point of view and a buyer's point of view as well is really, really important, because you want the property to look really, really good if you're going out to see it, and if you're selling it, you want to give off the best impression possible. Good estate agents will work with lots of other professionals to help them do their marketing. So you've got property stagers, for example, that will come in, make your property look really, really nice, really, really good, and really appealing to someone coming to view it and to buy it. They'll also work with the likes of professional photographers and videographers that will be able to help maximise the viewings that you're getting online, be able to give that the experience that someone that's maybe watching it on social media of a video tour or something like that in the property, which could help. Video tours as well are becoming more and more popular, and I see lots and lots of estate agents doing a lot of video tours now. And how else they'll do the marketing? It's not just about what they're doing, like some of the videos, though, it's where they're going to be sharing. So if they've got a good social media presence, if they've got email marketing lists that they can promote the property to, and even their networking, there's a lot to be said about word of mouth marketing and email marketing as well, because what could happen is if the estate agent sends an email, they might be thinking, well, they're not going to buy it, but they might know somebody that is, and a good estate agent will know that, and they'll know that all of the tools that they've got, and they'll be able to utilise them. One of the other key things that estate agents would usually do is manage the process. So they'll be keeping up to date with mortgage brokers, with solicitors, and they'll essentially take an active role in the process and finding out what's going on. because they're there also to manage the sale and make sure that the seller's getting the maximum price, but also getting to sell the house when they need it sold. So they'll be keeping an active role in talking to brokers, solicitors, making sure everything's going smoothly. So that's the video for today. So we've covered off the roles of an estate agent, how it is that they charge, how they'll market the property, manage the sales process, and the importance of maximising the sale price to get you a good price on the property. I hope you found this useful. If you have, give it a like and a share.